Welcome. In front of me I have Garmin Fenix 8 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app. In the application we need to find the more options icon right here and tap on it to open the menu. Now scroll down, find the Garmin devices and tap on it. And on the list of devices find your Fenix 8 and tap on it to select it. On this page find the more options icon in the top right corner, tap on it, then tap on remove device and tap on remove. If you see this pop-up you can tap on settings and it should redirect you to the Bluetooth settings, and here you should see your Fenix 8 on the list of paired devices. Next to it there should be info icon or settings icon, one of those. Tap on it and then tap on unpair or forget, because you could have a forget option on or unpair. Tap on it and the watch disappears from the paired devices list. Once it does, close the settings, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.